Normally, if you see me holding one of these, I'm selling it on eBay or I'm down at the lake fishing. But today I'm not selling lures. Today I want to talk to you about how you could get your business, a hobby or a general business, into the AI search results. There's a product launching today called the AI Visibility Blueprint that you can use to show up in AI search results. Everyone knows that today when you search something, you get an AI snippet instead of websites like you used to before. So the key to getting shown up in search results is the AI Visibility Blueprint. The AI Visibility Blueprint is the engine for being seen by search engines in 2026. But if you want to dominate a niche, I create PLR content that helps you do just that. In order to help you dominate the bass fishing niche, I created a PLR product on bass fishing. It's a ready-to-go system, and it'll help you capture more leads with professional content. On Sunday, the product launches at 9 a.m., and you could get this article pack, 5 professionally written articles for just $7. The articles are Bass Fishing 101, the Tackle Guide, Surface Tension, the Bronze Strategy, Line and Drag Maintenance, plus a bonus, the Pierside Secret. Why pay $100 when you could pay $7 for this? And this is private label rights content. That means once you buy it, you own it. You could edit it, put your name on it, and use it however you want to grow your business niche. So you have this product. Now how do you turn these articles into cold hard cash? Here's 10 ways. The 7-day email sequence. I highly recommend purchasing the add-on, which is a 7-day email sequence to nurture new leads and sell your affiliate products. Next is the niche blog posts. Schedule these out over a month to keep your website fresh and improve your Google rankings. Next is lead magnets. Bundle all 5 articles into a beginner's guide to bass fishing PDF to grow your email list. Next is social media micro tips. Break the articles down into small did you know posts for Facebook, Instagram, or X. Video scripts. Use the articles as a script for YouTube videos or TikToks. Show lures while you read the tips. Store newsletters. If you run a tackle shop, print these out or email them to your customers to keep them coming back for gear. Affiliate reviews. Add your favorite rod reel links to the Tackle Guide article and earn commissions on every sale. Podcast material. Use the topwater or nightcrawler stories as talking points for your next outdoor podcast episode. Local newspaper column. Submit these to local papers as a fishing expert contributor to build local fame. Ebook chapter. Use these as the foundation for a larger book on freshwater fishing you could sell on Amazon Kindle. These 5 articles that you get are only $7 through the first few days of the launch. So use the AI Visibility Blueprint to show up in AI search results. And then grab my Bass Masterclass PLR to dominate the fishing niche. The fishing niche is a huge niche, and you could sell affiliate products and all kinds of stuff. But I'm also offering you a coupon today if you'd rather get into the financial niche. I have a product called the Golden Authority Starter Kit on Warrior Plus that'll help you dominate the gold niche. So check that out today, and I'm offering you a $3 coupon if you buy the Bass Masterclass through my link. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.